cast was absolutely amazing. It's something you cannot miss. You have to see it before Christmas.
This is a great show. All the characters and actors really acted as the characters, and I really loved it.
Unbelievable. There's so much magic happening in there. The kids are out of this world. If you want to feel amazing, happy, come see the show. It's so good.
Your Good Man, Charlie Brown is one of my favorite shows. I've watched it since it was first off Broadway, saw it in Los Angeles, saw it when it was on Broadway, and let me tell you, this production with this group of kids, awesome. Everybody needs to come see this, and it needs to go to Broadway.
My kids are 4 and 6 years old, and they loved it, they enjoyed it, and we did too. Made us feel like the Peanuts gang ourselves.
It was great. I loved the show. Especially the great show. It was one of the best shows I've seen in a long time. Me too. I really liked the show. It was amazing. Everyone is really talented, and it was really good. So
I was so impressed with the amount of talent you had. They were super.
the show made me really happy. Stevie was really funny.
Young talents together, and of course the story is amazing.
Production values are spot on, everything is beautiful, the kids inspire you. Fantastic show, have to come see it.
Gotta come see it.
Got to go see the show! Charlie Brown!